guys, throw the photo up on the screen here. The arrow is pointing to Ivanka Trump, who was sitting with her children, I believe. Jeremy Diamond, you know the story, and her husband when someone started harassing them, and he got chalked off the plane. What happened?
Well, it seems that there was a gentleman on the plane who came up to Ivanka and Jared Kushner and essentially, began haranguing them for, their relationship to the president-elect. And I had a, Trump Organization spokesperson tell me that really they're letting the story stand for itself, suggesting that it's something pretty outrageous as far as they see it. And we also had an understanding that from a Trump transition source who told me that they are flying to Hawaii for some vacation, so not going to Mar-a-Lago, where the president-elect and some of his family are residing for the Christmas holiday.
Okay, so Richard Quest, you fly all the time. You're also our aviation correspondent. And by the way, shame on the person who harassed them. I don't care how you feel about, Donald Trump. That is just entirely rude and disgraceful to be harassing somebody, especially with little children. Have you ever heard of something like this?
Oh yes, oh yes. This is not the first time this sort of thing has happened. Usually happens with politicians that they get. Few British politicians have been rounded out. You're right. Look, I present CNN Business Traveller, and I can tell you, there's absolutely it's abhorrent. I don't care what her father does. I don't care what she's done. She's paid for a seat, I hope, and she's entitled to sit in it. I frankly was trying to see if she was in first class or economy. It looks like she's at the front of the bus, but it doesn't matter. She's entitled to travel from A to B. She has the middle seat, I noticed, in the peace and quiet.
She was hoping for that, and that's a long flight all the way to Hawaii. I need to get this in. JetBlue.
Yeah, the question is, why didn't her father let her use the jet?
Well, I'm sure the father's using the jet elsewhere. Let me get this in, Quest. JetBlue said this to CNN, quote, "The decision to remove a customer from a flight is not taken lightly. If the crew determines that a customer is causing conflict on the aircraft, the customer will be asked to deplane, especially if the crew feels the situation runs the risk of escalation during flight. In this instance, our team worked to reaccommodate the party on the next available flight."